Okay, if y is equal to 1 over x and you're asked to find the y dx, this one might seem difficult, but it's not difficult. What you have to do, you have to change this. Let me write it down. Y equal to 1 over x. You have to change it to a power, which is equal to x raised to the power of minus 1. 1 over is minus. And once you see 1 over is minus, if it is 1 over something, like 1 over x raised to power, let's say 2, you say minus the 2. So 1 over is minus. So because there is no number on top, there is no, this x has no power, just x. That is why it is 1. There is an invisible 1 here. And this is, when once you change to this, you are in the right path. Dy over dx will now be equal to, with that general formula, you bring down minus 1, then times x, minus 1 times x raised to the power of minus 1 minus 1 is what? Minus 2. Then is also equal to, this is, we say that minus is 1 over. Minus is 1 over. So this minus alone means 1 over. And we have a minus outside. Then this minus is outside. And we write our x, this x, and we write 2 on top. This is the answer.